Sometimes it's okay to be a hoarder. I just finished teaching this gorgeous arrangement in my membership group, but I realized that I still got some more covering up to do. So let me show you how I'm going to finish this wreath off without opening up another pick or spray. I'm going to come over here to my bucket O leaves. Everybody's got one of these, right? And I'm just going to grab some of these hydrangea leaves to use in my design along the bottom. Grab my Steel Pix machine. Now, if you don't have a Steel Pix machine, of course you can use a wire floral pick, but save your money and buy one of these when you get it saved, because it's the bomb. I'm gonna give my Steel Pix a little bit of a bend using my needle nose pliers. Be very careful, these things are super sharp. And then right down in the design.